this next portion is special thanks to Robert Taylor. We met him down at the Freedom 500 with the Ultimas. He right here. So they're about to do the jump and ramp competition, and he got us access down into the actual track near the ramp so we get a better view of it. Awesome. Thank you, and also thank you, Ben, the guy that runs this track. Got a few of them. Hey, hear more coming. Oh, that was the bent tie rod. I think that's Albie. Sounded terrible. Oh. Oh, this is the guy with the duct tape window. Let's go. Oh, line it up. Oh. Wait, almost. I think I just blocked up the engine. Oh, this is a nice silhouette. Ooh. Oh, bullet tire. Oh my God. There we go. Yeah. Oh wow. Blue tire. Well, that didn't go as planned. Maybe it did go as planned. Got the giraffe in there with him still. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! He's so good at it, dude. He's like, they didn't chain his door, so his door open. He's good. He's good. Oh my God. All right, that was the show, I guess. Good job, everybody.